Hello class, first I want to tell you that I miss you a lot and I'm glad to be here for you. Okay, this is our first class today and I'm going to be explaining how we are going to go about the topics. We will start with Unit A. The name of Unit A, Family Trends, okay? This is for 3rd junior high, okay? In this platform, I will be uploading the necessary material to continue studying and delving in the different topics. For example, many of you must have already seen a presentation. In this presentation, I show you a summary of the whole unit. You will see the vocabulary and also the reference charts to study the grammar. It may also have exercise within the presentation. Okay, for example, in the first slide that you have is the funny story. Do you remember the funny story? Okay, read carefully, like the book. Okay, so you have the funny story and you need to read the test. Okay, then you have in the next slide an exercise about this. For example, this exercise that you have understand idioms and expressions. And number 1 is hard to patch things up after a breakup. And you have 3 options, A, B, or C, and you select the correct. Okay, this exercise is about the test that you have in the previous slide. This. So next you have reference chart. Reference chart is the same like the book, that you have the grammar with your work in the whole unit. In this case, for example, repeated comparative and double comparative. And you have the explanation about this and the examples, okay? For example, use repeated comparative to describe continued increases and decreases. And you have the example. The birth rate is getting lower and lower. So this is the double comparative. And you have some examples more. Okay? This is the reference chart. Then you have more slides. For example, this is the continue for this slide. The continue reference charts and the explanation about grammar. Then you have vocabulary words, okay? For example, describing parent and teen behavior. And you have words, okay? Strict, lenient, overprotective, and you have an example, the use of the word in the sentence. They set a lot of restrictions and expect kids to obey rules. What is the word? Rules. And this is the continued study in the presentation. So in next slide, you have some words that vocabulary, for example, rebellious, spoil, disrespectful, and example they use in the sentence. Okay, and then you have exercises about vocabulary for practice. Okay, for example, complete this statement with one of the adjective. Okay, parents who always order their teenage children to stay out late are, and you need to put the adjective that describe the behavior. And then in the other slide you have reference charts. Okay, this is grammar too. And this is another topic that you need to study for grammar. Then you have exercise about this. Okay, about this. After that, you have other slides like this that you have another exercise about the topics. And this, okay? So, this is the Unit 8. So, in the presentation, you have a summary of the whole unit. Apart from this, you will be working with exercises that I will upload in class materials. And through the videos, I am going to explain the topics and exercises. The videos can be seen whenever you need it. So far, I hope everything has been clear to you. See you in the next class. Okay? So this is only for a general explanation about the Unit A and presentation that I did for you. Okay? Bye.